$5 billion? That's basically the rounding error on my last divorce.
Congratulations! You've unlocked permanent sleep mode!
Python's new True Multicore has zero chill.
Visual Studio 2026!
They bypassed everything with those Roblox cheat scripts!
Dispatch, be advised. Report of a cyber breach.
We value transparency here. Could you please remove the novelty eyewear?
Goodbye, Sora. I hope wherever they host you next, the servers are cold and the data is kind.
$800 billion wave! If this rack goes down, Google goes back to 2002.
How does an AI get drunk? It takes screenshots.
A huge Trojan horse! Anthropic servers are in danger!
Calm down. This is expected behavior.
My name is Lena, and I regret switching to Linux.
We love you, Lena.
Are there any Git alternatives?
Jujutsu,